Hello Robert, this is model Tiger semi-automatic 5-round magazine shotgun with adjustable rear sight, adjustable front sight, polymer stock, polymer handguard. And let's start the process. First thing first, we rip off the handguard nuts, and here comes handguard. And the third step is charging handle. After that, with the help of Allen, we screw off that pin that holds the stock. So here is the stock. And after that, to dismantle the rear side, there are two tiny pins. With the help of, we rip off those pins and the front side is here. And with the button here, when you insert, it moves, and this color barrel is dismantled. There are two tiny pins are here also. With the help of hammer, we dismantle. And by using Allen, we dismantle pistol grip and carrying handle. And after that, we rip off barrel nut that holds the barrel, that stabilizes the barrel. And here comes the barrel and the gas piston. And here comes the bolt carrier and bolt carrier tube and action spring. To dismantle the trigger plate, we again use hammer and rip off this pin, and here is the trigger plate. Now we are left with receiver and magazine tube. So now let's start reassembling. First thing first, we insert action spring into magazine tube. We install bolt with the barrel. And after that, we screw on the nut. And here comes the trigger plate. We need to nail it down. and charging handle, we insert it. Carrying handle, and pistol grip. Pistol grip is assembled now. To assemble carrying handle, we attach those small pins. 1, 2, yes. Now the carrying handle is assembled. And now barrel collar with the help of that button and rear sight. We again use 2 pins to mantle the rear front sight. And now is the time for handguard and handguard nut. And the last thing is stock. And we insert that nail. The gun is ready.